Hello, I'm Mark Lavitt, and I'd like to speak about the Flanders Woods condominium site and the homes that I've designed to be built on that site in Coventry, Connecticut for a few moments. My background is I've been a builder for many years and a designer and landscape designer. So I design houses, I design landscapes, I build houses, build landscapes. The site that Flanders Woods will be built on, I've owned for 35 years. I've been a careful steward of the land. I've had a professional forester that I've employed to maintain the health of the forest, the deciduous and the evergreen trees. And today the walking trail system, which is central to the site, winds through that beautiful forest. The site has a gentle southeasterly slope, which from a designer's point of view is ideal. It allows a lot of creativity in creating this harmony between architecture and the landscape. I've chosen 5 models, and those 5 models were purposefully selected to be able to promote this harmony on all of the 16 sites that we have at Flanders Woods. Now I'd like to take a few moments to refer to my model and show you by example what I mean and what this harmony can be all about in design. The compass is shown here. North is directly down. A few things that we use in design. We know that in the wintertime, the prevailing winds come from the northwest. They're generated from weather patterns that come from the Great Lakes. And in the summertime, our breezes are gentle, and they're shown by these arrows here. They come from the south, from the Atlantic Ocean, and from Long Island Sound. So the design now that we're going to be doing is got to be recognizing what happens in Connecticut during the wintertime with the prevailing winter winds and what happens in Connecticut in the summertime with the breezes. We want to be able to bring the breezes into our life in the summertime, and we want to keep the cold winter winds away from us in the wintertime. So how do we do that? Well, first of all, the site that was chosen has a southeast orientation. A little bit higher on the northwest side, perhaps, we can locate a double row of evergreen trees that when they're staggered and as they mature, the prevailing winter winds coming in from the northwest get intercepted, and they buffer the house area and the outside space, deck or patio. The trees get larger and the winds go around them or go over the top of them. Create a microclimate by doing that. In this outdoor space that's southeast of the house is protected so that we can extend the period that we use that outside space, start to use it a little bit earlier in the springtime and use it for a greater period into the fall. The temperature on that deck will be ambient temperature, but it won't be wind chill temperature. In the summertime, what we want to be able to do is to encourage the breezes to come into the house and to utilize the fact that warm air rises. And if we can take and put windows low on the south side so that these gentle breezes are induced to come into the house, and then have high windows on the second floor on the northerly side, the natural forces of the breezes blowing into the house and the warm air rising make the natural air conditioning a factor, so that we have a way of tempering our space in the summertime as well as in the wintertime.
To find out more about this green construction, please give us a call at 860-306-6293. Flanders Woods, part of nature and a place you will call home.